right, okay, so this is the beginning of the second 6 weeks, which is the atoms unit. So you're going to open that unit here and bring that unit out into Kami. Okay, and if you haven't read the directions for Kami, you can go back up into the day 1 section and read how to use Kami. So it should pop up in Kami, and see, you'll be able, let's go to the top because here's our unit. Okay, so here's all your assignments that you'll need to do. Atomic structure notes. Okay, so how do we get those notes? So back here, I'm going to hit next. And the PowerPoint should pop up that you're going to need. Make sure you're logged into your Google. Okay, here's the notes that you're going to use this to answer the questions. Okay, so answer all your questions there. Take your notes. All right, after that page, after your notes, you're going to do this assignment, okay? And if you took your notes, you should be able to find how to find atomic number, mass number, protons, neutrons, and electrons. If you don't, there's a video on how to do that, okay? Next assignment is there's a scientist card sort. I have a video on what you're going to do regarding this. You're just going to look at the numbers on the cards, and then you're going to put them in here, and I'll put a picture of that in there for our online learners. Okay, so you'll write, like, if you think Dalton's card 5 and card 8, you'll put those numbers in here. All right, then isotope notes. You're going to go back to modules, and we're going to go to isotope notes. It should be the next one in line. Okay, there's isotope notes. Okay, you're going to use that. Oh, and back on the card sort, this is where you'll get the information for the card sort, the history of the atomic theory scientist card sort. That's what you need right there. All right, after the isotope notes, you're going to do the isotope worksheet. You can watch this video if you're not sure how to do the isotopes. All right, and then you're going to solve for average atomic mass. If you don't know how to do that, there's a video right here, how to calculate average atomic mass. All right, and then after that, there's the Candium lab. If you are an at-home learner, then I will find a separate activity for you to do. If you have any questions, let me know. When you're done with this unit, submit it through Kami. I'll grade it before I'll give you the test code.